Hi, this is Jackie from UFO Power. Now I am in our factories of our group companies. Our factories is focusing on the EV power. We are producing the EV charger at the moment. Now I'm going to show you our factory's production line. Now here is the plug-in component production line. Let's take a look. This is the production test. We are doing waterproof and also the dustproof procedures to protect the components of EV chargers. This is the automatic assembly line. Now we are producing the EV charger for the NIO. NIO is the top EV company in China and even the world.